Wow, the Redeemed Christian Church of God, New Life Chapel, 9525 Town Park Drive, Houston, Texas, 77036. Presents 3-day Power Packed Grace Summit 2025. Come to revive, come renew, and be restored in Christ. Date 18th to the 20th of July 2025. The summit begins on Friday, the 18th of July 2025. Venue 9525 Town Park Drive, Houston, Texas, 77036. Time 7 o'clock p.m. Follow us with a picnic and outreach event on the 19th of July 2025 at a different location, 21614 West Belfort, Richmond, Texas, 77406. Time 10 o'clock a.m. Then comes the grand finale on Sunday at our celebration service. Date 20th of July 2025. Venue 9525 Town Park Drive, Houston, Texas, 77036. Time 1 o'clock p.m. Ministering Pastor Obi AGADA and FRANKA AGADA and other anointed ministers. Jesus Christ the same yesterday, today, and forever. Hebrews chapter 13 verse 8. See you there.